Hello everyone, I'm Elena Rugal and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet something unusual, bright and in the same time easy to make things. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook 2 millimeters and big size of beads. All additional information can be found in the description below the video. Before the work, we threaded beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet the cord. Make a chain of 9. Let's crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Draw bead. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the hole of the bead. And now take the working loop, pull it through. And pull the foundation chain. Here how it looks. It is very easy. Insert the hook into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. The number of chains can be differently, it depends of the size of the bead. If you have got the smaller bead, you should crochet less. So my chain space for the petals is ready. The half of the flower will consist of 4 petals. Now turn the work. Let's crochet the first petal. Now insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet like this. Then chain of 3, make the puff stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up to the level of the chain. 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook except the last one, pull through 2 loops. My puff stitch is ready. Puff stitch consists of 3 strings. Then chain of 3, make single crochet into the chain space. So my first petal is ready. In total it should be 4 of them. Let's crochet 3 more. Then chain of 3 for the next one. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3. Then pull through and pull through 2 loops. Then chain of 3 and make single crochet. Well done. 2 are done. Then chain of 3 for the third one, make pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3. Pull through except the last one and pull through 2 loops. Chain of 3 and make single crochet. I did the third one. So if you have got the smaller bead in the middle, you can crochet only 3 or 2 petals. Also, such pattern can be perfect to create earring. Let's crochet one more. chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, pull through except the last one and pull through 2 loops, chain of 3 and single crochet into the same chain space. Pull a little bit. My half of the flower is ready. You can stop at this stage and it can be base for creating earring. Straight up my petals. Here what I have. But you can continue and crochet more flowers and you will get the cord, bracelet, necklace or belt. It is very simple and beautiful in the same time. Now I show you how to continue. Now make a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pull up to the working loop, draw bead, remove the hook, insert the hook into the hole of the bead, take the working loop, pull it through. So take the working loop, pull it through. Pull a little bit. I draw my bead on the chain like this. Now insert the hook into the working loop. I insert the hook into the first chain stitch. I insert the hook into 2 loops. Let's repeat one more time. I insert the hook into 2 loops like this. Then take the working yarn, pull it through by making a slip stitch. For my chain space for petals is ready. Pull a little bit. Now I turn the work and crochet 4 petals. Let's begin from the first one. Make single crochet into the chain space, then chain of 3 and so on. It can be like a jewelry such as bracelet, necklace, or it can be edging or decoration for your bedroom. Straight up my chain space. Let's crochet the first one. Now I show you how to crochet 4 petals. Chain of 3, puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, then pull through 2 loops and chain of 3, make single crochet into the same chain space. The first petal is ready. Continue. Then 3 petals more, chain of 3, make the puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, then pull through, except the last one, pull through 2 loops, chain of 3, make single crochet into the same chain space. This is the second one. Make the third one, chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, puff stitch 1, 2, 3, pull through except the last one, pull through 2 loops, chain of 3, and make single crochet. Let's make the last one, chain of 3, work with the puff stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop 3 times, 1, 2, 3, pull through 2 loops, make single crochet into the chain space. I have done the second half. I straight up my petals, so I have done 2 halves. Here what I have. This kind of pattern can be perfect to create hair clips or headband. Also you can make earring made of 2 such flowers. So as you can see, it's not difficult to make. So you should crochet as many flowers as you need. So my adorable jewelry is ready. In my case, I'm using it like a bracelet. Each half of the flower consists of 4 petals. Petal based on puff stitch. Also in this video you have known how to join a bead and how work it with beads. It can be like a decoration in your house, or it can be like a jewelry necklace, bracelet, or belt, or earring, or pendant. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more with my step-by-step video tutorials. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video tutorials. Bye!